What's up, IITK? Vox Populi is back with a brand new series, Off the Records. A rewind of everything that moved, mattered, and made headlines across the campus.
From Senate rooms to sports arenas, from canteen chaos to cultural carnivals, this is where campus news meets campus reality.
So tighten those seat belts. This is your campus rewind. Let's go!
First up, Doha Canteen's tender was revoked due to poor food quality and service. The good news? The wait was over when it finally reopened on 20th November. New tender, new hope, and yes, Midnight Maggie is back.
P Club Student Search Tool was officially shut down. DDIA pulled the plug after concerns raised by PG students regarding privacy. A reminder that data responsibility matters.
And the much discussed new grading portal? Short-lived. Scrapped after faculty backlash during an academic senate meeting.
Subway and Starbucks have come up near L20.
Burger Singh is now open at OAT shop number 2.
Naughty Blenders replaces the chocolate room at OAT shop number 1.
A new multi-cuisine restaurant, Tadka, has come up near the old shopping complex. The prices though don't seem student-friendly.
Several other canteen and shop tenders are also up for renewal, so expect more changes very soon.
A new delivery system proposal featuring verified agents and IoT lockers is set to roll out in a pilot phase, with feedback every 2 months.
And Wendy Hall continues to grow, crossing 2,000 plus transactions with expansions planned at LHC, Sports Complex and laboratories.
IITK alumni continue to make the institute proud across the globe.
Rajesh K. Gupta is now the founding dean of UC San Diego's School of Computing.
Dr. Ajay Kumar, BTech in Electrical Engineering, batch of 1984, has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC.
Professor Ashutosh Sharma, BTech 1982 batch, was awarded the Padma Shri.
And Professor Sandeep Shukla has given a pause to his IITK tenure and has taken charge as director of IIIT Hyderabad.
And special kudos to IITK professors Sengni Anantaraj,
Avinash Kumar Agrawal,
Debasiz Kundu,
Rajesh Kumar,
Kamal Kekar,
Sanjay Mittal,
Anshul Yadav,
and Arjun Bagchi for making it to Stanford's top 2% world scientists list.
absolute academic excellence.
On the Gymkhana front, budget hits an all-time high of 97.75 lakhs. अभी मेरे 10,000 रुपए वापस. Meanwhile, IIT Bombay's budget, not touching.
Policy updates include the approval of a female senators group chart aimed at coordination, discussion, and representation.
Antaragini ran from 9th to 12th October 2025, marking its 60th Diamond Jubilee celebration.
With participation from over 350 colleges across India, the star attractions for the same were Mohammad Irfan, Teri Miko, and our beloved Sunidhi Chauhan.
The Pingala complaint portal was non-functional for a brief period of time due to funding constraints, raising concerns about infrastructure accountability. But now the work has been resumed with IWD back on site.
Incidents like structural issues in Hall 4I block and GH1 extension and Hall 1 canteen ceiling collapse after rainfall in the early sem highlight drainage concerns. Classic IITK problems.
The water pipelines in IIT Kanpur are 60 plus years old and no proper efforts have been undertaken to maintain it, resulting in leaks and increase in pollution levels in drinking water.
Respected official of IIT Kanpur said that the pipelines are too old and that it is hard to locate the leaks and change the pipes as it will take too much time and requires planning.
A detailed article on the same is coming soon. A new laundromat facility has opened behind Hall 13, featuring 14 industrial-grade washing machines and dryers, fully UPI enabled.
Plans are underway for the demolition of halls 1, 2 and 3 alongside the construction of new halls 15 to 18 with hall 15 proposed as a female residential hall.
The Kotak School of Sustainability has had its foundation stone laid, supported by alumni philanthropy, because sustainability starts at home. Guess what? The de-addiction list also got leaked, and nobody is panicking more than our Cordis after SMT code.
वैसे लीक तो एक और लिस्ट भी हुई है, the F.
क्या तुम्हारा नाम है इसमें?
Let's not talk about that. For the first time, 5 students were admitted directly to BTech BS via international Olympiads, and all of them chose, guess what?
CSA. In the past semester, there were 2 tragic incidents of student suicide. Condolences to their families and their
TRIPS 2025 unfolded in the last week of August and brought together researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to discuss sustainability challenges.
A new exit option degree has been introduced for Y22 onwards, a 3-year degree titled Bachelor of Science in Applied Science.
The midterm by-elections were held completely online during the midsummer break for the new batch. Not a lot of energy during the election week, as a result.
Let's see what is the condition of the new general elections this year.
The General Championship Trophy distribution ceremony was held on 15th October at OAT, celebrating winners across Technique, Rivayat, Inferno, Galaxy, GC and more. इसमें भी all 6 में कुछ नहीं है.
Galaxy जीते थे. The IIT Kanpur weightlifting team secured overall gold at the district championship held on 2nd October.
At the Inter-IIT Tech Meet 14.0 at IIT Patna, IIT Kanpur clinched silver, returning to the podium after 6 years.
The 30th Inter-IIT Sports Meet, jointly hosted by IIT Madras, IIT Hyderabad and IIT Tirupati, concluded on 29 December. IIT Kanpur grabbed the 5th position overall, 3rd in the men's events while 5th in women's.
Inter-IIT Cultural Meet 8.0 was held in IIT Kanpur. We are still awaiting the official results.
You know what that is? Inter-IIT में IIT Kanpur ने 13 cups में 14, 16, 17 gold जीते as of now. Official कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
And with that, we'll sign off. I think that should be it, guys.
और अगर आपके हॉल या डिपार्टमेंट में कुछ भी इंटरेस्टिंग हो फोटोज या वीडियोस के साथ तो प्लीज हमें भेजिए. We'll feature it next time. Catch you until the next episode of Off the Records. Until then, stay informed, stay involved.
Vox Populi signing off. This is Rohan Sablani.
And this is Dhriti Bernwal. Thank you.